Hello students, I am Muhammad Asim. In last lecture we did question number 14, exercise 6C, book 3, 7 edition. Today we are going to do remaining questions of this exercise. See question number 15. These questions are coming from advanced level. Okay. So question number 15 is, if the line mx is equals to ny plus 2 has the same gradient as the x-axis, find the value of m. State the condition for the line to be parallel to the y-axis. So in this question, two requirement. One is to find the value of m, and other is to find the the condition when this line parallel to the y-axis. Very easy, very important question. Solution. The given equation is mx is equals to ny plus 2. First, we have to write this equation in standard form of straight line. What is standard form of straight line? Y is equals to mx plus c. So it means we have to make y as the subject of the formula. Separate y. First, this is mx is equals to ny plus 2. We can write this ny plus 2 is equals to mx, both are same. Then second, ny is equals to, shift this 2 on other side, it will become minus 2. This n is multiplied over here, this should divide on other side. So you can write m upon n x minus 2 upon n. Now our equation, given equation, is completely transformed in standard form of equation of straight line. Here the coefficient of x is gradient, therefore the gradient is, we can assign the name of the gradient is m1. What is the coefficient of x? Is m upon n. So we obtained the gradient is m upon n from the given line. The second is, look at this line carefully. If the line this has the same gradient as the x-axis, so first we need to find the gradient of x-axis. You must know the gradient of x-axis is always equals to 0. This is very important note for all those students who never knows the gradient of x-axis. The gradient of x-axis is always 0. Then according to question, if the line has the same gradient as the x-axis, what is the gradient of the given line m1, which is m upon n, is equals to, what is the gradient of the line x-axis? Is 0. Has the same gradient means both gradients are equal to each other. So m upon n is equals to 0. This n is divided over here, this should multiply by 0. And students, you know, something multiplied by 0 is always 0. Hence the value of m 0 is our answer. This is the requirement. Find the value of m. Now come to second part. The second part is, state the condition for the line to be parallel to y-axis. So we need to find the gradient of y-axis. Students, as I told you, the gradient of x-axis is 0, and you must know the gradient of y-axis is equals to 1 upon 0. Student, there is concept behind this gradient of x-axis is 0, this gradient of y-axis is 1 upon 0. What are the reasons? At this stage, I am not able to give you the detail because it's beyond your scope. So you just know the gradient of x-axis is 0, the gradient of y-axis is 1 upon 0. Now, according to question, what is the gradient of the given line? M upon n. And if the line is parallel to y-axis, the gradient is 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. Okay. Now cross multiply. This 0 is multiplied by m and this n is multiplied by 1. Something multiplied by 0 is always 0 and something multiplied by 1 is always something. N multiplied by 1 is n. N is equals to 0. This is the required condition. Required condition. What is the requirement? State the condition for the line to be parallel to y-axis. The condition is when n is equals to 0, it means the line is parallel to y-axis because the gradient of y-axis is 1 upon 0. Okay student, I hope you understand how we find the value of n is equals to 0. Now, finish question number 15. Move to question number 16. What is question number 16 is? The line L has the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 24. It crosses the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B. Part 1 of the question. Find the coordinates of A and B. What is the question? The line L has the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 24. It crosses the x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B. Find the coordinates of A and B. Students, you know when the line crosses the x-axis, the value of y is 0. And when the line crosses the y-axis, the value of x is 0. So, solution of this part 1. Coordinates of A are x0 because when the line crosses the x-axis, the value of y is 0. And B are 0y because the value of x is 0 on y-axis. Therefore, for coordinate of A, we put 3x plus 4 into y. For coordinate of A, the value of y is 0. So 4 into 0 is 4 into 0 is equals to 24. 3x, 4 into 0 is 0. 24, 3x plus 0 is 3x. And x is equals to 24 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. Hence, the coordinates of A are, what is the value of x? 8, and what is the value of y? 0. So we obtain coordinate of A, 8, 0. Come to coordinates of B. How to find coordinates of B? We put x is 0 because this is on y-axis. So 3 into x means 3 into 0 plus 4y is equals to 24. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus something is nothing. Something 24. So y is equals to 24 upon 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. And the coordinates of B are 0, y. Y is 6. This is the answer of part 1. Come to part 2. What is the answer of part 2? The length of line segment AB. Length or distance, both are same. So if you see the length of the line or if you see the distance of the line, we use distance formula. So what are the coordinate solution? What are the coordinates of A? 8, 0. What are the coordinates of B? 0, 6. What is the distance formula? The distance formula, distance of AB is x2 minus x1 square, or you can write x1 minus x2 square. It would be same if you apply x1 minus x2 square or x2 minus x1 square, because the square of the negative sign is always positive. So if you write 8 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 6 square root. This is the formula. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 square is 64. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is plus 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10 unit. Hope you understand how we get the answer of part 2 by using distance formula. The length of AB is 10 unit. Third part of this question, the coordinates of the line, the coordinates of the point C that lies on the line such that C is equidistant from the coordinate axis axis. The coordinate of the point C that lies on the line such that C is equidistant from the coordinate axis. So we need to find the coordinates of, the question is find. I forgot to write the word find. Find the coordinates of the point C that lies on the line such that C is equidistant from the coordinate axis. This is very important and very understandable part. Solution. First we have to assign the coordinate of C. We can assign the coordinate of C, for example x, y, because we don't know the value of x and y. Now see this word, the coordinates of the point C that lies on the line. I will tell you this meaning, that lies on the line, after few seconds, such that C is equidistant from the coordinate axis. See this word, coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means if this one is x and this one is y. So coordinate of axis means if we take any point on x-axis, the value of this point is x0, as we see in part 1. And if we take any point on y-axis, the value of this point must be 0, y. So this x0 and 0y are called the coordinate axis. And according to question, C is equidistant from the coordinate axis, means C is, if I assign the name of this coordinate axis, because we use A, B in part number 1. So if I assign this is D and this is E, so we can say D is x0 and we can say E is 0y. So according to question, this coordinate of C which I assign xy is equidistant. Equidistance means the distance from CD is same the distance from CE. This is the second condition. The first is the coordinates of the point C that lies on the line. What is the meaning of this line? I will tell you after few seconds, but such that C is equidistant from the coordinate axis. This is coordinate axis means x0 and 0y. So first we have to find the distance of between CD and CE. Okay, I am rubbing this because you don't need this. See carefully. First we have to find the distance between CD. The distance between CD is x minus x square plus y minus 0 square root. So CD is x minus x is 0. 0 square is 0. So this is vanish. Y minus 0 is y. And y square is y square, and this square cancel this root. So only answer of CD is y. Now we have to find the distance of CE. The distance of CE is x minus 0 square plus y minus y square root. X minus 0 is x, x square is x square. Y minus y is 0 and 0 square is 0. Therefore x square, this square cancelled by this root. The only answer is CEX. Now according to question, C is equidistant from the coordinate. It means CD is equals to CE. CD is equals to CE. What is the value of CD? Y. What is the value of CE? X. So this is, if I assign this equation number 1. Now move to second part of the question. So I am rubbing this because I need more space to finish this part. See carefully. The coordinates of the point C that lies on the line. This is the line L. So C lies on this line means both the lines are crosses each other. It means if we solve this equation 1 or this equation 2, if we solve equation number 1 and 2 simultaneously, the value of x and y represent the coordinate of C. So we have to take 3x plus 4y is equals to 24, and the second equation is y is equals to x. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If we solve these equations by using the method of substitution, it means this is if we put x where we see y in equation number 1. So 3x plus 4. What is the value of y? Y is equals to x. So put x is equals to 24. 3x plus 4x is equals to 24. 3x plus 4x is 7x is equals to 24. Then x is equals to 24 upon 7. Or if you want to write in mixed number, 7 3s are 23 plus 3 upon 7. So this is in mixed number form. Now the second part, the second value, how to find the value of y? Just take this, put this value of x 22 upon 7 in any one of the given equation. So I can put in equation number 2, put x is equals to 24 upon 7 in equation number 2. So y is equals to, what is 2? Y is equals to x. So what is x? 24 upon 7, the same value, and we can also write this in mixed number form. Hence the coordinates of C are 3 whole 3 upon 7 comma 3 whole 3 upon 7. Answer. I hope you understand this part. Very interesting part. Is there any part of this question remains or not? Yes, part number 4. What is part number 4 of this question is part number 4. Write the equation of the line. Student, we have already find the equation of the line. See this, y is equals to x. So we just write the answer. Y is equals to x is the equation of line. So no need to do further calculation. I hope you understand. See next question, last question. of this exercise, question number 17. Very important question. I hope you understand this part. Kindly do yourself this part again in order to get complete command of these type of questions. See question number 17, last question of this exercise. Question number 17 is the coordinates of the point P and Q are 2, 3 and 9, 5 respectively. Part number 1. Find the coordinates of the point where the line passing through P and Q intersects the x-axis. In this part solution, in this part the equation of line is not given. So first we have to find what is the question. Find the coordinates of the point where the line passing through P and Q intersect the x-axis. So first we need to find the equation of straight line. What are the coordinates of P? 2, 3. What are the coordinates of Q? 9, 5. For finding the straight line, we need to find the gradient. What is the formula of gradient? y2 minus y1 5 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So the answer of the gradient is 2 upon 7. Now y is equals to mx plus c. What is the value of m? 2 upon 7 x plus c. Satisfy any one of the point to find the equation of the straight line. So I am satisfying this. Satisfy P. 2, 3. Put 3 where you see y. So 3 is equals to 2 upon 7. Put 2 where you see x. C. Now next 3 is equals to 2 to the 4 upon 7 plus c. Move this 4 upon 7 on this side. It will become minus 4 upon 7. 7 3 is a 21. 21 minus 4 is 17 upon 7 is equals to c. Hence the equation of the line is y is equals to 2 upon 7 x plus c. C is 17 upon 7. But this is not our answer. This is not our answer. Our answer is, our requirement is to find the coordinates of the point where the line passing through P and Q, okay, but intersect the x-axis. So if the line intersect the x-axis, the coordinates are x comma 0. I told you many times the coordinate of x-axis are x0, the coordinates of y are 0, y. So put 0 where you see y and put x plus 17 upon 7. Move this 17 upon 7 on other side, it will become minus 17 upon 7, 2 upon 7x. You can directly cancel this 7 by 7. The answer is minus 17 is equals to 2x. Minus 17, this 2 is multiply, this should divide. Hence, the coordinates are, what is the value of x? Minus 17 upon 2, or minus 17 upon 2 can be right minus 2 8s are 16, 1 upon 2 in mixed number, because the answer in the book is given in mixed number. Coordinates are minus 8 whole 1 upon 2 comma 0. So this is the answer of part number 1. Come to part number 2, very important part. Part number 2 is, given that y is equals to 5 is the line of symmetry of triangle PQR, find the coordinates of R. Student, in order to understand this part completely, we need to draw a graph. Look at this. First we have to draw x and y axis. The second is we draw coordinates P and Q. What is the value of P? 2, 3. So this is 0. This is 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sorry, this is not the straight line. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am not drawing the values on scale. I just show you the coordinates of P and Q. And students, this is coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry means geometry without geometry box. Simple. So no need of geometry box and draw the very accurate line. What are the coordinates of P? Are 2, 3. This is 2. This is 3. So these are the coordinates of P. What are the coordinates of Q? Are 9, 5. So if this one is 8, this one is 10, this should be 9. So 9, this is Q. Now join P and Q first. Join P and Q. Now see this. Given that y is equals to 5 is the line. So first we have to draw y is equals to 5. How to draw y is equals to 5? Just draw a line which passes through 5. So if I would say this is 5 and if I draw the line, no matter if the gap is not same, because this is not our requirement, and this is the line. Okay student, this line is the line of symmetry. So line of symmetry means if the distance from this P is this, therefore this is P, this is Q, therefore the distance from this distance is same from P to this line and from R to this line. So this distance is this point. What is the value of the coordinate of PR? 2, 3. This is 2, this is 2, 3, and if I say what are the coordinate of this? This is 2, 5. So what is the distance? If this point is 3, this point is 5, therefore the distance is 2. Hence we move this line to extend this. This should, if this distance is 2, because this is 3, this is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, this distance should also be 2. So this point is R, and if I join this point, this is our triangle PQR. So what are the coordinates of this R? Because this is the straight line, the value of x throughout 2, therefore the coordinates of R is, because the value of x is not changing, therefore the value of x is 2, and this one is 5, and the gap is 2, therefore this is 5 plus 2, 7. So the coordinates of R are 2, 7. I hope you understand. The diagram is not very good. I am not good in drawing, but this is the answer. See part number 3. What is part number 3? There are 4 parts in this question. Part number 3 is calculate the length of PQ. Again, length means distance. What are the coordinates of P? 2, 3. What are the coordinates of Q? 9, 5. Therefore, the length of PQ is, length means distance, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root. 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 square is 49, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4, 94 plus 4 is 53, and the square root of 53 is 7.28. 7.28 unit. So the length of PQ is 7.28 unit. See part number 4. What is part number 4? Hence, find the length of the perpendicular from R to PQ. Student, we have already find in previous questions or also in exercise 6b the length of the perpendicular. You know, For finding the length of perpendicular, we need to find the area of a triangle. So the solution is, first we need to find the area of triangle PQR, half into base. I am taking base is PR. PR is the base and height. Now we have to find the base is half. What are the coordinates of P? 2, 5. What are the coordinates of R? 2, 7. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So only answer is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay students? Sorry. We need to find the base. This is 2, 3 and this is 2, 7. So we need to find the distance. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. The answer is 4. And if you want to find the length of PR by using distance formula, so if you take this 2, 3 and 2, 7 and apply the distance formula, you will get against the distance is 4. So the length of PR is 4. Multiply by height. Height means the perpendicular length. So this should be from this point to this point, this should be the height. So what is the length of this point? This point is 2, 5. And what is the value of Q? The value of Q is 9, 5. What is the value of this line? This is 9, this is 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore the height is 7. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14 square unit. But this is not our answer. This answer will help to find our requirement. I am running this. Now, what is the requirement? Find the length of the perpendicular from R to PQ. If I draw the perpendicular from R to PQ and assign the name is, for example, T. T is our capital T. Capital T is our perpendicular. So we know that area of triangle PQR is equals to half into base. If this one is perpendicular, so PQ should be the base. And the height is, we assign the name of the height is capital T. Student, we have already find the area of triangle PQR, because for changing the base or changing the height, the area doesn't change. We have already find the area is 14, 1 upon 2. What is the length of PQ? We have already find of length between PQ, which is 7.28. See this, the length of PQ is 7.28 into T. 14, this 2 is divide, this should is multiply on other side. This 7.28 is multiplied, this should divide on other side T. And if you calculate 14 into 2, 28 divided by 7.28, you will get the answer 3.85 units. Answer. So this is the requirement in part number 4. Advanced level. Today we did advanced level questions from question number 15 to question number 17. This exercise right now has finished successfully Still one exercise is left for this chapter number 6, exercise 6D. We will do exercise 6D as well. Until then, practice more and more and more in order to get complete command on this topic, coordinate geometry, because we are going to start after exercise 6D past exams paper, past questions, past papers question. Okay student, and one more request to you students, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get all the notification of my videos. Kindly also like my videos and share my videos to your other students, other friends as well. Okay students, see you in next class.